sibona igakorugusi we have two presidential candidates our green interest that formerly basaka gulibaga they could wish to run for president. So what almost Fred Matiang'i and we have almost former CJ David Maraga. The two have shown that basaka gulibaga in the next general elections they want to run for presidency. The last time umuntu kurugusia teneta kabuli chukura cha presidency is 2002. So almost Kenya Chai. So since then we've not had a reason why to go to our temperatures because the whole country is now watching what the Gusii Nation can do. So you know with such a national outlook, one on top of that showcase what we're able to do. Number two, over time, I think revolution 2013 we've now had young people fully involved. Unlike Kale, whereby young people maybe very school, they don't want to get involved. Young people want to directly get involved in the political process. So that gives us room Vasai. That is why one manganayo to manyete, because Vasai Barenko involved. So means if a matter happens in Nekerenyo Nyamaya or Nyansiongo, you need 5 seconds. Because we are transmitted direct, we now have the power of social media. We now have new media. Initially, we didn't have Getembe. We now have Getembe. We got the reporters all over. So now a news go break. So now that puts us in a national map. To showcase what we have. Then, Korukare, to whatever election you got sometime in Nyacheki ward, sometime during the regime, but we had the by-election in Bonchari. But as much as we had temperatures here, they were not as high. The stake was not as high as now.
Does it mean